Keep moving, men! This giant chickpea won't move itself! To the mud kitchen! Move, move, move!
In this valley, tradition scales up. Villagers harvest giant pods on a miniature farm. A tiny world working in perfect harmony.
In this village, food preparation is a community event. These giant chickpeas must be thoroughly washed in the river. This is hard work.
In this miniature world, tradition remains large. Every giant chickpea is carefully dried. It is a community effort.
In this miniature world, every single grain counts. The giant stone mill requires the strength of the whole community. Fresh flour flows as a rich reward for their shared labor.
In this bustling miniature village, everyone has a role. Together, they prepare a giant batch of falafel.
As the sun sets over the ancient river, the village gathers for the great feast.
In this tiny village, cooking is a grand affair. Every evening, golden falafels are shared among neighbors. As twilight settles, the warm lights reflect on the river.
In this miniature world, tiny chefs and villagers work together. They are handling massive fresh vegetables, an enormous bounty for the falafel platter.
In this village, food is a shared language. Every hand plays a part in crafting the perfect batch of tahini. It is a tradition that binds this tiny community together.
In this exquisite miniature world, a grand feast is being prepared. Every detail is meticulously crafted to create a tiny village coming together under the moonlight.
The whole community comes together to prepare this magnificent feast, a night of pure magic and celebration.